August 31st, and we just finished Mass. And I'm sitting at my desk getting ready to put some stuff together to go visit a shut-in, actually somebody in the hospital, when I hear what sounds like my roof is about to fall in, as if the largest car with the largest sound system is going past my house, my office. And what is that noise? Now we listen to it. That's right, they are doing the sound check for the Jay-Z and Eminem concert on Thursday and Friday. But that's how loud it is, and we're across the street from the stadium. So, remarkably loud. Let's see if we can get another listen. So as you can see, that's just a little snippet of on during the week here at St. John's. In addition to worship and opportunities for appointments and meetings and all the groups that meet here, we do occasionally get to host next door major concerts with noise pollution, if you want to call it that, at least at this volume.